How's it going? I hate that. Yeah, g'day. How's it going? I've stuffed up this intro more times than I can count, so I'm just going to get straight into it. Today's video is going to be a BTS on a 1200 Sporty that I shot with Tom at Purpose Built Moto the other week. Over the last year and a half, we've done a lot of cool shoots, and we're starting to get in a really good groove. This one, we went out to our mate Justin's property in the hinterland of the Gold Coast. He's just got this really cool rock wall that suited the Sporty super well. And it was just cool to shoot a bike in the location that matched the style of the bike. I've been so busy lately working on clients' projects that I decided I'm going to start making more of my own videos. So each week I'm going to try and release a video. If you could let me know your thoughts in the comments below, what you do and don't like, that would be sick, because the only way to get better is through feedback. Anyway, let's rip in. I hope you enjoy it.
Raz! This is what we're going to be filming. Alright, so tonight we're going to film, take some photos of this bad boy with Thomas. But we're just going to do a little pre-clip now for the series we're doing. And then we'll load up and get going. Got to Jazzy's house, where he's got this cool little rock wall that we're going to set up with. Chucked on 24-70. Actually, I've changed my mind. I'm going to run the 70 to 200. Changed my mind again. I'm going to use the 50 with the 1.8. Alright, bike clean. Gets too wrapped up in his phone. Oh, the bike clean or what?
Business. Yeah, let's go. I'm not fucking paying you to stand around.
So this is the shit I have to put up with. So it's not heaps fun being hanging around with bikers. They're big and scary.
Don't fucking look at me.
Let's rotate. So we've moved the bike around so we have the same background, and it gives us shit amount of help. It's a big bike. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. It's a little heavy.
We move around so we keep the same background but with different angles of the bike. I don't know, we just found it works better. Well, I didn't really know. Tom knew that and told me that that's how we do it. And it works pretty well. But yeah, froth the 50. Gives that depth of field that's unreal. Yeah, normally we shoot in industrial, really, but this one suits the bike so well. Look at it. Froth. Yeah, I'm stoked on these. This is gonna be badass.
Welcome to Justin's shop, where nothing is made after 1970 except Justin. Have a go at the antique ladder. I'm glad you're getting up that, not me.
Look at this ladder. It's timber. Look how steep it is. But I mean, I guess we'll get a good shot.
Do you know anyone with any spare valves in a tyre machine?
Spewing.
You probably want like a jack or something too.
Yeah, we need everything.
Unbelievable. That's so unlucky.